Welcome to the Privada Consumer Course, filmed here in the Privada Aging Vaults. I wanted to start here because this is where a cigar becomes more than just a product to us. This is where cigars rest, this is where cigars change, this is where cigars age, and this is where I wanted to start telling you the truth about how cigars really work. Most cigar smokers have been buying cigars wrong, not because they're stupid, but because the industry taught them to look at the wrong things first. The band, the box, the rating, the wrapper color, just the overall look of the cigar and the packaging seems to be the driving factor in what sells cigars, but there's more to it than that. And look, all of those things can matter. A beautiful band can matter, a beautiful box can matter, a name you recognize can matter, but none of those things are the cigar itself. Picking the right cigar starts with one question and one question only. Who actually made this cigar? That is the question that most consumers were never taught to ask. Most people walk into a humidor and they say, what brand is this? But insiders, well, we look at things a little differently. What factory made this exact cigar? Because in this industry, a brand is not always a factory. Sometimes the brand owns the factory, and sometimes the brand contracts with a factory. And sometimes a small brand, a boutique brand, or even a private label is made by one of the best factories in the world. This is why this matters. If you only look at brand, you're only looking at the front door. When you start to understand factory, you step inside the house. And this is the part of the cigar industry that most consumers never get to know. This is the factory map. Once you see cigars this way, the industry starts to look a lot different. Now, Johnny, you're gonna put the actual map, the new Privada version, on the screen. I worked tirelessly on this, tying each factory to each brand. If you see any mistakes, please email me, info@privadacigarclub.com. It is a work in progress. That being said, you can also download the map in our latest blog post, Who Really Makes Your Cigars, right at the top as a PDF, and you can check it out and learn every single brand that ties to every single factory. For instance, look at the My Father factory. It's not just Tatuaje. It's Letelier, it's Aroma de Cuba, it's San Cristobal, it's Don Pepin. I mean, there's a lot of different cigars. Even some of the foundation cigars are being made out of the My Father factory right now. So each factory can make tons of different brands, but each factory has its own DNA. There really is something that I think a lot of industry insiders can tie down to an exact factory. And when you've gotten to work with as many factories as someone like I have, you start to see the differences and the things that relate when you're smoking a cigar. I know when I'm smoking a cigar made by AJ. So that's the thing. Can you tie back the cigar to the factory? And the reason why this is important is because, especially if you're looking for great cigars on a budget, you want to know. If you love Plasencia, most of their cigars are $25 plus. But there's also some really good cigars they make for a lot less money for different brands. It's coming from the same factories. It's being made with some of the same tobaccos. Maybe they took a little less care with the other brand stuff than they did with their own. But the fact of the matter is it's got that DNA in it. Most consumers think they're choosing between brands, but the truth is they're really just choosing between factories. So let me be clear about this. That does not mean that every cigar from the same factory is the same cigar. That would be ridiculous. A factory can make a $9 cigar and a $20 cigar, and that doesn't mean that they're the same cigar at different price points. That does happen in other industries, however, but not so much in this industry. And the reason why I'm probably the perfect person to teach you this is because I've purchased more cigars from more factories than pretty much anyone else in our industry. That's my superpower. Privada Cigar Club has always been collaborative and always worked with multiple factories. Now at this point, leading up to almost 10 years in business, we've narrowed it down to about 5 to 15 factories that actually make a product that we want to stand behind and put in our coolers to age. So in these factories, they may have different tobaccos, they may have different blenders, they may have different blends. In fact, most factories I've been to have about 5 solid blends that they offer to every single brand that walks in, and it's your job to pick the right blend and the right vitola or the right size. And those things change that blend. So it's not exactly the same cigar, because if this person chose it in a Robusto or a Toro in 1996, and then the next person shows up in 1999 and chooses it in a Toro Gordo, that's not the same cigar. However, it can use the same tobaccos. So I don't want to confuse anyone here. And this is the point of the whole course. It's not to make you a cigar snob. It's to make you a more educated consumer that can find cigars you're gonna like more often than not. And here's the truth. The factory is where all of the things that go into making a cigar are a part of a process. That's the DNA of a factory, okay? Again, the construction, the rollers, the rolling style, okay? There's different rolling styles at different factories. The caps, is it a double cap or a triple cap? Each factory has its own style. What I'm trying to tell you here is a factory is not just a building where cigars are rolled. It's a culture. And that, when you understand that, you can begin to really fall in love with cigars in a whole new way. Different brands come from the same factory. So it's a lot to take in, I understand that, but I think you're understanding the concept, and with the use of the map, you'll be able to smoke a cigar, and if you like it, look at what other cigars are made in that factory. And that's the point of this consumer class. That's the first part. So this has been part 1 of the Privada Consumer class. Get ready for part 2 and see how this changes your smoking experience going forward. I'll see you next time. Hashtag we are Privada, hashtag we are family, hashtag we are the industry. Peace.